Hi, I'm David G for Juniper Networks, and in this video an engineer will take you through the installation process for the Juniper Terraform automation framework.
This video we will see how to install JTAF and its dependencies. JTAF can currently be cloned from its GitHub repository. We will need to have Git installed on our system to clone it. The command is as follows. On the execution, we can see that the required files are cloned to our local repository. The module has multiple components and uses some third-party tools for the same. The details can be found in the README. Golang is required to compile and execute the Go files. Pyang is used to generate yin files from yang files. Yin files are similar to XML representation of the yang files. Terraform uses generated providers for configuration changes. Terraform is not used during the process of generation of the providers. After the providers have been generated, the compiled binary is used to execute the Terraform API to interact with the Juno's devices.